In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Airtable ownership in just 5 minutes. If you've ever found yourself in a position where you need to hand over ownership of an Airtable base, this guide will make the process simple and straightforward. Let's start by navigating to the Airtable homepage, where you will see all of your existing bases neatly organized and displayed. Once you're on this homepage, the first task is to locate the specific base that you wish to transfer to someone else. Pay particular attention to the section labeled Shared. In this section, you'll find a list of all the bases that you've either created or have been granted access to. Locate the base you're aiming to transfer and click on it. This action will open the base, providing you with a closer view of its contents, as well as its settings. Now the next step involves a very important button labeled Share Base. This button is usually situated near the top of the page. Clicking on Share Base is essential because it opens the door to transferring ownership. What this essentially does is grant you access to a range of options that allow other users to collaborate on your base. Once you've clicked on the Share Base button, direct your attention to the Email Invite option. Clicking this will open up a dialog box where you can enter the email address of the person to whom you wish to transfer ownership. It's crucial at this point to double-check that the email address is correct to avoid accidentally inviting the wrong person. In the same dialog, you'll notice several roles you can assign to this individual. The critical choice here is to select the Creator role from this list. Assigning the Creator role is imperative. It grants the recipient full access to all the base's functionalities, effectively transferring ownership responsibilities to them. Once you're satisfied with the setup, the last step is to click on Invite. By doing so, the new owner will receive an email with an invitation to join as the base's creator. Once they accept this invitation, your role in the process is complete. They'll now possess all the rights to manage and modify the base as they deem appropriate. And that's it. You've successfully transferred ownership of your Airtable base. It's as straightforward as that. Remember, if you run into any issues or have further questions, Airtable support is always available to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.